Guys, welcome back to another video here with SirMalo Performance. Today we are working on Project Beast, the 05 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 two-wheel drive. If you guys haven't checked out the video of us changing the upper control arms, go ahead and check that out. This video is pretty much going to be about changing the wheel hubs. So the wheel hubs, or wheel hub bearings, however you want to call them, are these bad boys right here. So these just came in overnight. Oh yeah, overnight parts from Japan. I got two of them. I'm going to show you guys. Obviously it's all packaged brand new, so that's good. I'm actually seeing this with you guys. So it says do not remove on here, not serviceable, right? But just like I show you, no dust cap. And look at the wheel bearings. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Look, just spinning the tire around. So I have the wheels off. I'm going to see if I can put you guys a little bit closer. We'll need the 19 millimeter. We'll also need an 18 millimeter. The 19 millimeter is definitely going to be for the brake caliper. The 18 millimeter is going to be for the brake caliper holder. So this is my 18. Goes here, brake caliper holders. And the brake calipers are 19s. So I have my breaker bar. Hopefully it doesn't get out of focus for you guys. Alright, so lefty loosey. Make sure you guys lube it up. While I'm here, might as well break these loose if we can. Jesus. Those are on there tight, guys, so prepare to get the breaker bar out. And now, this is what I'm going to do, step by step. I mean, you still have to take all this stuff off. You have to. There's no way around it. I'm just saying, before you guys get lost, as the parts go, you can take off everything and then go from there. I'll leave that one on there. Alright. So, brake caliper bolts. You guys can separate them. Brake caliper holder, separate it. I like to squeeze these down even when I change my brakes. Whoa. So I grab my 6-inch C-clamp. Hopefully you guys aren't getting too out of focus over there. Alright, so right here, I like to give it a little squeeze, back out. Since these are twin piston calipers, you have to squeeze down both sides. Alrighty, so just like that, brake calipers out of the way, you can let it hang, nothing bad happens. These take a lot of resistance, so again, alright, so my other caliper bolt holder, brake pads are into place. I can put that to the side. Good practices, wherever you took off your last bolt, just put it back. So I took off this bolt from up, I took off this bolt from up here, grab my other bolt, put it on right here, right? Whoa, brake caliper bolts, they screw on right here, brake caliper bolt, screw on right here. That way you know which one went where. Not everything's laying around. Let's come back up to here. Alright, so rotor's out. I got my 15 millimeter socket on here. Again, we're working on the driver's side first. So we took off our brake caliper, we took off our brake caliper mount. We put the bolts back in their original location. Holy heck, these are on here. Definitely have to torque these down to spec again. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the next one. You don't want to heat up the threads too much. That's how you strip them. Once you strip it, that's it. No lost opportunity. I'm just getting a feel for it right now. my gosh. Literally, these things gotta be at least 140 pounds. Watch them be like 180. If you got a ratchet, if you got an impact, you know, if you can fit it, get it. Ow. I just hit my head on my own lift kit. That hurt like a mug. Alright, those are broken loose. Once it's broken loose, it's broken loose. Alright. I got my WD-40. Man, I wish I was sponsored by a company that does lubricants, because I use them a ton. Alright, so ABS sensor is completely disconnected. Again, it's a 2-prong. This is your connector up here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this last 15 millimeter. Okay, it has a lot of grime, so definitely have a rag handy. Just have something to clean them with, you know, nothing crazy with this stuff. Just make sure threads are clean when they're coming off. And then, yeah, I have everything set up over here. So the far one, right? So you have a bolt here, bolt here, bolt here, and that's how I have them separated. Okay, so this is our hub. Whoa, this sucker's heavy. Yeah, but you see that? Oh man, no bueno. New one. You see how this one's exposed, and this one is not. It has a cap. Seal all that in. Let's get our top bolt. We're gonna go ahead and shoot it through. There we go. I grabbed it. Man, oh man, I would love for this thing to focus automatically. You get sponsored by everybody. GoPro, WD-40. Would love to be sponsored by Harbor Freight. Imagine all the tools that I could have access to. Sheesh. Alright, so again, these are all wiped down. If you want to be very precautious, I mean, you can throw some lubricant in the threads. I know I didn't do it on the top. It's okay, guys. I can back it out and then shoot it through again. I just wanted it to grab. Oh yeah, big difference once you have some lube on there. These go in there nice and smooth. So look, now that I have these other ones on here, right? I can go ahead and back out the one until there's nothing on my threads. Shoot some WD-40. I shoot my thread through. That's it, nice and neat. You guys want more? Back it out. Shoot more through. That's what that flex hose is so neat. Properly being used right there. Alright, so this one, chase that in. Obviously I can't reach it with that. But you want to torque it down to spec. Guys, if you could, if you know the specs, please drop a comment down below. Say, hey, Yvonne, torque specs for wheel bearing hubs. Put it right there, comment. Put Mr. SirMalo Performance. Torque settings for wheel bearing hub. Put it down below. Brake caliper bearing, brake caliper holder, torque settings, everything. Put it all there. It's okay. You guys can mix and match. Put the year, make, and model, because they're all different. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. Again, this is a 2-wheel drive vehicle. If it was 4-wheel drive, man, oh man, would this be a lot more funner. It'd be more of a pain, to be honest. Talk about the space you have to work. All the vehicles that are slammed, a little bit more compressed. Nothing crazy. But let me get that there. Again, these were pretty torqued down a lot, so almost lifted the whole truck right then and there. Alrighty, so that bad boy's on there. I have my torque wrench. Give me 1 second, let me go get it. I never show this in my videos because you know, everybody's different with the whole torque specs. That's definitely there. That's definitely there. Looks nice and pretty, right? All these excessive wires right here. We'll get to it here in just a second. But again, I have my caliper right here. Put these on right now. Whoa, 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 whoa! My guide pins are coming up. Gosh, this bad boy's heavy. Alrighty. Again, you guys can shoot some lube now or after. I just need the bolt to grab. That's all I care about. That grabs it. Now I like to shoot some lube. Oh yeah. Where are you, bolts? There we go. Got my impact. Not super tight. Not to break it loose. Just so I have some wiggle room up here. Now I can take this one out. Again, you can have your rag, clean it. Get your flex hose WD-40. Again, this one, the bottom one's loose. There we go. Same thing. You guys can use your torque wrench. I'm more of a feel it out kind of guy. There we go. Yeah, man, so if you guys like how this build's going along, put it right there. Comment. I'd appreciate the support. Again, I'm just working on a budget here. Our guide pins are ripped. So on my right hand, I have the top one. Let's shoot this. Wait, you got stuck. What the? No moss flex hose? Oh boy, what's the dealio? Let's work, man. Don't slow me down. All this time I've been cheering you on. You're letting me down. You don't want to do that. You don't want to let me down. I don't know about you guys. I don't think I've ever had this much problems with the brake caliper mounting into place. Dead battery. Alright guys, we'll torque everything down to spec. I wasted another 7 minutes on this part, but everything's put back together. Just gotta torque everything down. New one's in, old one is out. Got me. So old one is out, and yeah, no more of that. So what you do to the driver's side, you must do to the passenger side. But that's a whole nother it's gonna be a whole nother episode over there. I just wanted to show you guys the whole idea. I'm gonna be out there in the sun, so I don't even want to deal with that too much. Again, I put a shade over here with you guys. Kind of ghetto, but you know, it gets the job done. Please like, subscribe. Again, this is SirMalo Performance, working on Project Beast. Until then, take care, guys. Peace.